If you could fill your home with beautiful green plants without worrying about killing them, you don't need a greenhouse, a perfect watering schedule, or years of gardening experience. Some indoor plants are incredibly tough and can handle missed waterings, low light, dry air, and even a little neglect. In this video, we're counting down 10 indoor plants that are almost impossible to kill. These plants are perfect for beginners, busy people, small apartments, offices, and anyone who thinks they simply don't have a green thumb. From plants that survive low-light corners to varieties that can go surprisingly long without water, these houseplants are built to survive. And the best part? They can still make your home look fresh, peaceful, and full of life. Stay until the end, because number 1 is one of the most forgiving houseplants you can grow. Whether you're buying your very first plant or looking for something that can survive your busy lifestyle, there's a good chance you'll find your perfect match on this list. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1. Snake plant. If you want an indoor plant that can survive almost anything, the snake plant is one of the best choices you can make. With its tall, upright leaves and striking patterns, this plant looks modern and elegant while requiring surprisingly little attention. Snake plants are famous for tolerating low light, although they grow better when they receive bright, indirect light. The biggest mistake beginners make is watering them too often. Their thick leaves store water, allowing them to survive periods of dryness. Instead of watering on a strict schedule, check the soil first and make sure it has dried out before watering again. This plant is also adaptable to different indoor environments, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, and offices. Another advantage is that snake plants usually don't need frequent repotting because they can tolerate being slightly root-bound. If you occasionally forget about your plant, this is exactly the kind of house plant you want. Just give it well-draining soil, a container with drainage, and avoid keeping the roots constantly wet. With minimal care, your snake plant can continue producing beautiful leaves for years. For beginners, it's hard to find a more forgiving indoor plant. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is another indoor superstar for people who struggle to keep plants alive. Its glossy, dark green leaves give it a polished appearance, almost like a decorative plant that requires professional care. But the reality is completely different. ZZ plants are extremely tolerant of neglect and can handle low-light indoor spaces much better than many other houseplants. They also have thick underground rhizomes that store water, allowing the plant to survive when you forget to water it. In fact, overwatering is usually a bigger problem than underwatering. Before giving your ZZ plant another drink, allow the soil to dry significantly. Place it somewhere with indirect light, although it can tolerate lower light conditions, and let it do its thing. This makes the ZZ plant excellent for offices, apartments, bedrooms, and rooms that don't receive strong natural sunlight. Its slow-growing nature is also convenient because you won't constantly need to prune or repot it. If you travel frequently or have a busy schedule, the ZZ plant can be an excellent choice. It's attractive, durable, and remarkably forgiving. Give it a suitable pot with drainage, avoid excessive watering, and you'll have a houseplant that can tolerate a surprising amount of neglect. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest indoor plants for beginners, and it's especially popular because it grows quickly and looks beautiful almost anywhere. Its trailing vines can hang from shelves, climb supports, or spill gracefully from a basket, making it a fantastic choice for decorating your home. Pothos can tolerate a wide range of indoor lighting conditions, from moderate light to lower light areas. However, brighter, indirect light generally helps the plant grow more vigorously and maintain attractive leaf patterns on variegated varieties. One reason Pothos is so forgiving is its ability to recover after periods of neglect. If you forget to water it occasionally, the leaves may droop, but after receiving appropriate water, the plant can often recover. You can also easily propagate pothos from stem cuttings, meaning one healthy plant can eventually become several. Water. When the upper portion of the soil has dried rather than keeping the soil constantly wet, Avoid letting the roots sit in standing water. Pothos is perfect for beginners who want visible growth without complicated care routines. Whether you put it on a bookshelf, hang it near a window, or let its vines trail down a cabinet, this plant can add a beautiful touch of green to almost any room. Number 4. Spider plant. The spider plant is a classic houseplant that has earned its reputation as one of the easiest plants to grow indoors. Its long, narrow leaves create an attractive fountain-like shape, and mature plants can produce small baby plants that hang from long stems. These little plantlets make spider plants especially fun because you can eventually propagate them and grow new plants. Spider plants are adaptable and can handle a variety of indoor conditions. They generally prefer bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light environments. Water when the soil begins to dry, while avoiding constantly saturated soil. One of the great things about this plant is that it often communicates when something is wrong. If it becomes thirsty, its leaves may droop or look less vibrant, giving you a chance to correct the problem. Spider plants are excellent for shelves, hanging baskets, offices, and bedrooms. They also grow relatively quickly when conditions are good, so beginners can see noticeable changes over time. If you want a plant that feels rewarding without demanding constant attention, the spider plant is a fantastic option. Give it reasonable light, occasional watering, and a container with good drainage, and it can remain healthy for a long time. Number 5. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant has one of the toughest reputations in the world of indoor gardening, and its name says it all. This plant is known for being extremely durable and capable of handling conditions that would stress many other houseplants. It is particularly useful for darker corners of your home because it can tolerate lower light environments. It also handles occasional neglect better than many delicate tropical plants. The cast iron plant grows slowly, which can actually be an advantage for busy plant owners. You won't need to constantly prune, reshape, or repot it. Its broad, deep green leaves provide a simple and elegant appearance that works beautifully with traditional or modern interior designs. While it is tough, it still needs basic care. Use soil that drains well, water when the soil has started to dry, and avoid leaving the roots sitting in water. Keep it away from extremely harsh direct sunlight, especially if the plant isn't accustomed to it. This is a great choice for someone who wants greenery without needing to monitor a plant every day. If you have a room where other plants struggle because of lower light or inconsistent care, the cast iron plant could be exactly what you need. Number 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is not only attractive but also incredibly easy to care for when you understand one simple rule: don't overwater it. This succulent stores moisture in its thick, fleshy leaves, allowing it to survive dry periods much better than many traditional houseplants. Aloe vera prefers bright light, so a sunny windowsill can be an excellent location. However, introduce it gradually to very strong direct sunlight if it has previously been growing in lower light. The soil should be allowed to dry thoroughly between waterings. When you do water, water thoroughly and make sure excess moisture can drain away. A pot with drainage holes is essential. Aloe vera's compact shape also makes it a practical choice for smaller homes, kitchens, desks, and windowsills. It grows relatively slowly compared with plants such as pothos, so it doesn't require constant maintenance. If you're someone who tends to forget watering, aloe vera can actually benefit from your habit, as long as it still receives enough light. Its architectural leaves also give your home a clean, natural appearance. Just remember that more water does not mean more growth. With aloe vera, less is often more. Give it light, well-draining soil, and plenty of time to dry out. Number 7. Jade Plant. The jade plant is another tough succulent that can reward you for providing very little attention. Known for its thick stems and rounded, fleshy leaves, the jade plant can become a beautiful miniature tree-like plant as it matures. It prefers plenty of bright light, making a sunny window an ideal location in many homes. Because its leaves and stems store water, it does not need frequent watering. Allow the soil to dry out well before watering again, and always use a pot with good drainage. One of the biggest dangers for jade plants is excessive moisture around the roots. If you treat it like a thirsty tropical plant and water it constantly, you can create problems. Instead, think of it as a plant that prefers a dry period between drinks. Jade plants can live for many years when given suitable conditions, making them a rewarding long-term houseplant. Their compact shape also works well on desks, shelves, windowsills, and small tables. As the plant grows, occasional pruning can help maintain a neat shape and encourage branching. If you want a plant that looks sophisticated but doesn't require daily attention, Jade Plant is an excellent option. Give it sunlight, patience, and careful watering, and it can become a long-lasting part of your indoor garden. Number 8. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a fantastic choice if you want something larger and more dramatic without choosing a plant that requires constant attention. Its large, glossy leaves can instantly make a room feel greener and more stylish. Rubber plants generally prefer bright, indirect light and can also tolerate some lower light conditions, although growth may be slower. The key to keeping one healthy is finding a balance with watering. Allow the top portion of the soil to dry before watering again, and make sure excess water can escape through the drainage holes. Avoid placing it in a constantly wet container. Rubber plants appreciate consistency but don't need you checking on them every few hours. Wiping the leaves occasionally can also help keep their large surfaces looking clean and attractive. If the plant grows toward the light, rotating the pot from time to time can help encourage more even growth. Because rubber plants can become fairly large, they are especially useful for filling empty corners or creating a natural focal point in a living room. They look impressive, but their care requirements are relatively straightforward. If you want an indoor tree that makes a statement without demanding expert-level gardening skills, the rubber plant deserves a place on your list. Number 9. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen, also known as Aglaonema, is an excellent indoor plant for anyone who wants beautiful foliage with relatively simple care. It is particularly popular because many varieties can tolerate lower light indoor conditions, making them useful for rooms where sunlight is limited. Their leaves can come in different shades and patterns, adding visual interest without requiring complicated maintenance. Chinese Evergreen prefers evenly moist soil compared with drought-tolerant plants like Aloe Vera, but it still should not be left sitting in water. Allow the surface of the soil to begin drying before watering again. It also appreciates warm indoor temperatures and protection from cold drafts. One of the biggest advantages of this plant is its adaptability. You can place it in a living room, bedroom, office, or another indoor space with suitable indirect light. It grows at a manageable pace, so it doesn't usually demand constant pruning. If you're looking for something that can tolerate less than perfect lighting and still provide lush greenery, Chinese Evergreen is a strong candidate. Just remember that low light doesn't mean no light. Even tough plants need some energy from light to stay healthy. Give it basic care, avoid overwatering, and this beautiful plant can be surprisingly forgiving. Number 10. Peace. Lily peace. Lily is our final plant, and it's a fantastic choice if you want an indoor plant with beautiful flowers as well as attractive green leaves. Its elegant white blooms can create a calm, tropical feeling inside your home. Peace lilies prefer bright, indirect light, but they can tolerate lower light conditions. When the plant needs water, it often gives you a very obvious signal. The leaves begin to droop. This can make it easier for beginners to understand when their plant needs attention. After appropriate watering, a healthy peace lily can often recover from temporary drooping. However, don't use wilting as an excuse to keep the soil constantly soaked. Excessive moisture can still cause root problems, so good drainage is important. Peace lilies also appreciate moderate humidity and stable indoor temperatures. If you notice brown leaf tips, factors such as dry air, inconsistent watering, or water quality may be involved. Overall, this is a forgiving plant that can teach beginners how to observe and respond to their plants. It combines attractive foliage, elegant flowers, and relatively simple care. If you want something that looks more delicate than it actually is, the peace lily is a beautiful choice for your indoor garden. And there you have it, 10 indoor plants that are almost impossible to kill. From the incredibly tough snake plant and ZZ plant to the fast-growing pothos and beautiful peace lily, these plants prove that you don't need to be an expert gardener to enjoy a green home. Remember, even the toughest plants still need basic care. The secret is not giving them constant attention. It's understanding what each plant actually needs. Avoid overwatering, provide appropriate light, use containers with drainage, and pay attention to changes in the leaves and soil. If you're a beginner, start with 1 or 2 plants and learn their habits before creating your own indoor jungle. Which plant from this list would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple indoor gardening tips. Your next houseplant might be much easier to care for than you think. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need a green thumb, you just need the right plant.